In this video, we're going to compare different decimals and try to decide which one is greater or less than. So if we have a problem like this that says, what sign makes this statement true? And we have 0.59 question mark 0.56. And then we have these two signs. Okay, so this is the less than sign, and this is the greater than sign. So greater goes this way, less than goes that way. Okay, so first step is to use a place value chart. So we have the ones, then the decimal spot, the tenths, and then the hundredths. Make sure to line up the decimals. Okay, that's very important. So step 1, put the numbers in the place value chart. So let's do that. So here's the 0.59 and here's the 0.56. So this makes it easier for us to compare the numbers. And we start with the highest place value and you start comparing the numbers. So the highest place value for this one is the ones. So you start from the left and work your way towards the right. So you work this way when you do your comparison. So continue to move to the right. We could see that the ones are the same and the tenths are the same and the hundredths are different. So this is where we're going to do our main comparison to see which number is bigger or smaller. Finally, we can see that the hundredths digit in 0.59 is greater than the hundredths digit in 0.56 because 9 is bigger than 6. 0.59 is greater than 0.56. So this is the answer. 0.59, and we use the greater than sign, is greater than 0.56. And don't worry if you don't get this right away, you could just rewatch the video. I have links in the description to my other videos that are similar to this. Also, if you like, you could download my ebook and you could find this exact lesson in the ebook and you can follow along there.